what we have to see, we can take another array. We can take another array. We will not use that.
Then why are taking?
Just to demonstrate.
Okay.
So we take another. Let's say this is x. So this is index, and this is y. Let's take this as ARR minus I. So minus 3 minus 0 is minus 3.
Minus 3.
Minus 1 minus
Minus 1 minus 1.
is
Minus 2.
0 minus 2 is
Minus 2.
3 minus 3 is
0.
5 minus 4 is
1.
7 minus 5 is
2.
Wow.
So in this case we actually have 0 where you actually find the index is actually equal to array of I.
So why we
And
आप solution का complexity बताइए.
No, that is okay. That is okay. But if you look at this, you will see that this wasn't a sorted array, and this is also increasing by 1. So this will also be actually a sorted array.
Okay.
So this will be a sorted array. Now what you have to do is you have to find the first index of 0. If you find a 0 in a binary search, then that means that is the value index.
But again, for creating this array,
we will not. So I'm just saying that we will do that, but in the end, we will actually not do that, and we will compare in the code. We will actually compare ARR of x minus I. And we'll do it. In the code you will see that I will
Array
not.
of I minus I, right?
Array of I minus I.
ये solution हो सकता है कि हम क्या करें कि we will do it binary search and internally we will
Check for the
automatic operators.
That's what we will do, and we will not take an additional array. I'll write the code for that.
That
So,
is FCM.
but you have to do the first. You have to do this calculation. For doing this calculation, again you have to traverse all elements, correct?
No.
No.
बाइनरी सर्च में करते रहेंगे.
अभी कोड में पता चल जाएगा.
जो
Okay,
कंडीशन
okay,
कर
okay,
रहे हैं,
okay.
बाइनरी सर्च में कंडीशन कर
Okay,
रहे हैं.
okay, got it,
That
got it.
condition will check.
Got it.
Instead of value, we will check ARR of I minus I.
Hey Ashish,
Yes.
I have a request. What's the question?
Very good. This is how you should
I
approach.
have another request is because most of the conversations are on Hindi.
Oh my
sorry.
goodness.
Sorry about
Sorry.
that. Sorry.
Yes.
Yeah. Sorry. Okay. So the question is,
Yeah,
That's why your face was serious.
Yeah,
That's why
I thought okay, I'll get it. But hey, okay, I'm not kidding you.
This is inadvertent. Nothing directed at you.
I will not take that.
okay. So let's say this is an array, right? This is an array. So this is a 0th position. This is 1. This is 2. This is 3. This is 4. This is 5. So ARR, if I say ARR of I, which means like if I say ARR of 0, it will be minus 3, right? ARR of 0 is minus 3, ARR of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? Minus 3, minus 1, 0, 3, 5 and 7, right? This is what it is. What it is saying is when there is an ARR of I and the value is also I, that is what we have to find. So in this case, ARR of 3 value is also 3, so we will find that. If we don't find that value, then we will actually say that okay, that does not exist. We will return the index as minus 1. Okay. So how we will do that is y is here. We will take a subtraction of 3 minus 0, which is minus 3, minus 1 which is minus 2, 0 minus 2 is minus 2, this is 0, 1 and 2. So in this array, if we see, this is in increasing order and this is also increasing one at a time. So the third array, this array is also increasing, and that was sorted. So this is also sorted. This array is sorted. So we have to find, basically we have to find 0. If we find 0 in this array, then that means that is the position where the index. Yes.
Index are same.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. It can be, it could have been 4 also here. So this value would have also been 0. So, but in this case, we are returning the first index of it. So that is what we are doing. Okay. So we will write the code, and instead of taking this y array, we will actually
Take
do
an
it.
additional memory.
Yeah, do it.
Normal integer.
So integer get index a of I, integer okay. So integer low is equal to 0, integer high is equal to arr dot length minus 1. We don't need to send I in this. Yes. Okay. Yes. Okay. While low is less than equal to high, what we will do is we'll check integer middle is equal to low plus high divided by 2. Okay. If ARR of mid minus mid is equal to 0, in that case,
Or
we
you
have
can,
found, huh?
or you can just say AR of mid equal to mid.
Yeah. Same thing.
Yeah. So that is what I.
Is it return mid? Okay. Else, if ARR of mid minus
That
mid
scenario we need not to perform
is
mathematical
less than
operations.
0,
Benefit. More optimal solution.
huh? Low
Yes.
is equal to mid plus 1, else low high is equal to mid minus 1. And after this while, we will return minus 1. Okay?
So I just had written something. Can you have a look? I tried the recursive.
Yeah, recursive will also work. Yeah, exactly.
This one?
Yeah, it's the same thing. Yeah,
Because
because
I'm not doing mine equal to 0 thing. I'm
Oh,
just,
okay.
in
Yeah.
recursion I'm just comparing.
compare.
Not mid equal to.
And otherwise, yeah.
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 Otherwise else if and else.
Yes. So that is. It's the same. Yes. Okay, we'll take a 5-minute break and then we'll do some other
Can you
questions.
show me the recursive thing? It's similar to binary.
Hey,
Yeah, it's binary.
Okay. So in the meanwhile, I'll read and find some other questions.
No, you're just yeah. Calling the function itself. Okay. इतना complicated है. I mean, the algorithm itself is picking up the
Yeah. Okay. What are we returning? Again?
I didn't write it for you. It's your
So you also, Hindi might be a little problem?
I can understand, but I can't speak English.
Yeah, not everybody speaks.
Yeah, I thought actually I'm going to get that, but it was keep on getting complicated. I said, okay, I'm stopping it.
अगर ये वाले एग्जांपल में क्या
What
रिटर्न
are we
करेगा?
done?
So basically here -1, return -1 because it's not found. So
Recursive वाली बात कर
नहीं नहीं इसी की बात करो.
इसी के
return mid.
ये this will
If you
return.
don't find in the file,
What this program will return?
इसमें 0 -3
हाँ.
-3
What will be the mid here? Mid will be this, correct?
हाँ बढ़िया
ठीक है. Mid minus mid equal to 0 हो गया. तो this will return mid.
सही
Which is wrong.
क्यों वही तो फाइंड
We
कर
have to find this one.
फर्स्ट स्टेप
हाँ.
क्या बोला ये solution wrong है बोलेगा?
हाँ ये वाला सॉल्यूशन में
कौन सा solution wrong है?
ये वाला आशीष.
आज तक अभी
हाँ.
कैसे?
ये एग्जांपल एक
ये देखो.
अलग सा है
मैंने ये किया है कि 3 वाला हमारा मिड है, पर मिड से पहले मैंने एक और भी है, तो हमें ये रिटर्न करना है अभी, है ना. अभी हमारा मिड जो है ये है, तो मिड में क्या होगा, array of mid minus mid equal to 0 होगा, and we have returned this third 3, but we have to return this 2.
Oh, so yes, we need to yeah, so this has to be वो जैसे if you have already found it, then you continue
continue
until you don't
until
find.
don't return it.
Yeah.
set
And
found as that and
Yeah.
then फिर वो आगे
हाँ.
चलेगा
Yeah.
हाँ, इसमें वही करना.
कल एक सवाल और मैं इनसे बात करता हूँ आप तैयारी कीजिए कल एक सवाल हुआ था ना रोटेटेड स्ट्रिंग ये है और हमको फाइंड करना इंडेक्स
Yes.
ब्रेक हो गया
कैसे?
और इंडेक्स ब्रेक इंडेक्स मिल गया
हाँ.
फाइंड एन एलिमेंट फाइंड एन आइटम इन इट
हाँ.
तो इसमें ना अगर मैं ये कंडीशन नहीं लगाऊं जो आपसे बात कर रहा था आज सुबह जो आप लिखने आए थे
हाँ.
मैंने बोला कि 2 कंडीशन होगी एक array of mid और एक array of mid दोनों चेक कर रहे हैं आपको तब जाके रिटर्न ट्रू होना जो ब्रेक
Array
कंडीशन
of if x is equal to array of mid or x is equal to array of mid plus 1, then
ये
return.
दोनों चेक करने पड़ते हैं तब जाके ये चल रहा है
अच्छा.
आप या फिर पिक्चर उठा लो जो भी करना है देख लेना अभी अचानक खड़े खड़े तो बात समझ में नहीं आएगी मैं जो बोल रहा हूँ ओरिजिनल हमारा सोल्यूशन था कि सिर्फ array of mid पे हम ब्रेक करते उसमें आपको एलिमेंट 20 नहीं मिलेगा आपको 5 नहीं मिलेगा आपको 11 नहीं मिलेगा
Okay. Okay.
अगर आप सर्च करोगे आपको 1 मिल जाएगा आपको 16 मिल जाएगा
Okay.
मैं बता रहा हूँ
ठीक है.
तो आप देख लो अगर लेना है तो पिक्चर ही लो थोड़ा टाइम लगा था पर मुझे पता करने के लिए
So इसका क्या है? You should find that. Then what he said was.
यार ये इसको रिटर्न मत
हाँ.
again Hindi is coming
That's fine.
so return instead of doing a return you mark it as found
Okay.
and then do again the search the same thing you keep on doing until you find lower or upper if nearby you don't find it that's it
And you keep on searching.
Until
Which means
it
you
is-
run this.
until
You run this,
until
right?
yeah
So what will become my mid? Mid is now again low plus high by 2.
this and this you can choose or this and this you can choose
See, first, so
you can go either way
You found mid, right? So initially आपको mid find किया. Mid is nothing but 0, 1, 2, 3 is the mid.
so 0 you are finding there are 2 0 sets actually
Correct. So in this case, अभी हमारा mid value क्या हुआ? 3 हुआ, right? So we are returning 3. और so 3 हुआ ना? So now we are again searching that.
remember in yesterday's class there was a question we will go left we will go right if number of items apply that algorithm after you have found the first one
Yeah, if you found the first one, and then you have to go both ways actually.
see this one is 0 this one is 0 assume this is 1 right now 5 minus 4 is 1 so assume that this is also 0
Then you will find.
but you
this.
have found this guy right
No, you have found this because.
hold up
Okay.
so mid is assume that you have found this
Okay.
then you have gone left hand side you have gone right hand side apply yesterday's algorithm to find the first character it will be always a combination of something Nothing is new in this world, right?
So you want to go left, you don't want to go right.
Yeah, you go right, but the question is to find the first occurrence, right?
Last occurrences you go right.
Yeah, last occurrence. The question is for the first occurrence, and that is why I am going left. I am not going right.
How did you miss that?
Yeah, how did I miss that?
बहुत practice करना है उधर इधर
How did you land on
It's a never ending thing.
On the middle one, because incidentally in this particular example, that is the middle.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Because of low plus high divided by 2, that is the middle. You cannot escape that. It will vary from example to example. I mean, as testers, we all have to give multiple inputs. He has done. जो solution दिया था हमने,
ट्रिपल हो रहा है
ये वाला. तो एग्जाम्पल ये वाला पकड़ लो, टूट गया. अभी जो एग्जाम्पल मनोज से दिया.
अच्छा, हम लोग पास जो PDF है उसको
कुछ 1000 combination तो
हम लोग
जब तक आप satisfied नहीं हो जाते.
तो फिर PDF से जाएंगे तो पड़ेगा.
मैडम
हम लोग तो PDF से कर सकते हैं. ये बुक में
क्वेश्चन
सेम है.
सेम थिंग.
फिफ्थ एडिशन की पीडीएफ चाहिए.
हाँ?
फिफ्थ एडिशन की पीडीएफ नहीं है.
फिफ्थ एडिशन की नहीं है,
रिपोर्ट की है.
बट देयर इज नॉट मच डिफरेंस.
मुझे मिली नहीं है सर्टिफिकेट.
हाँ?
50 मुझे मिली नहीं है सर्टिफिकेट.
मैं पीडीएफ नहीं करता. मतलब I don't do that.
नहीं, एक्चुअली यार बुक ले लो.
This is when the
बस फिर लेके
because we have एक
Yeah.
3
हाँ
4
जी.
5 6 number of elements are there.
Exactly.
If it is odd, it
You
will
can
be
see the
What is the other comes?
घर की सोफा
ये
बहुत break हो गया.
नहीं,
ये
बात
ये
है
break
if you
हो रहा है,
want to see
आप
the
return
questions, you can
करोगे,
always see the
ये
questions
return करना है, meeting
और उसमें कंपेयर करने के अगर कुछ नहीं है, you can see the
गलत
question
नहीं है,
solution
मतलब
available
कल जो
in
एक